I've probably been to 30 workshops, but I haven't been back in the last 10 years since I was a Grand Council, and it's great to see that the passion, the energy, the enthusiasm, the brotherhood, the fire in the belly hasn't changed. You see, workshop for me has been pivotal in my Sigma Chi journey. And my Sigma Chi journey has impacted in a profound way literally everything about my life. My values, my leadership style, companies I helped build, and most of all, my friends and family. My 2 oldest sons are Sigma Chi's. My best friends are Sigma Chi's. It's just Sigma Chi heaven, and even my wife is a sweetheart. I just doesn't get any nicer than that.